No, that's a white X marker. Literally, it's just like a painted X. But the reason they've done that, the geologists, they want to monitor ground deformation and shifting over time. There's another one on our left down here, see? Below us on the left. So they came out and marked these. They took a survey, marked them exactly where they are, and then they waited for a nice clear day and took a satellite photo. Then they waited for another nice clear day, like a month later, took another one, and so on and so forth. So they'll overlay the images, and they're looking for shifting and moving and changing of the surface, depending on if those X's moved even a tiny bit. You actually find those all over the island too. They're not just here. There's a lot of them here. I've found them everywhere, all over the place. Had lava up here into this northern section of trees maybe 4 or 5 years ago. It was kind of smashing in. The forest doesn't burn here, it's too wet on this side. But the trees will burn in the immediate vicinity of the lava, but the fires won't spread is what I mean. Well, from here we're kind of continuing our journey northbound. Say goodbye to the lava. Kilauea, though, it's a pretty cool volcano. I am anxiously awaiting the next eruption. Right, we don't know. Maybe it'll be Mauna Loa. Never know. As it is right now, none of the volcanoes are showing any signs of unrest, so probably not in the very near future, but things could change pretty quick. Beautiful view of Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea. You can see some of the observatories on Mauna Kea already. There are 13 already, with 14th planned, but I think they're saying, we can only see 4 of them.
Night and you and blue Hawaii.
There's another helicopter back there at the Pu'uo'o, and he's like, hey, the solar panels are about to fall in. Yep. They're all talking about it.
Heaven to me. Lovely you and blue Hawaii. With all this loveliness, there should be love.
Well, we're headed north. actually towards Hilo right now. Hilo is the largest city on the island. We were talking about it earlier, right? The rainiest in the U.S. Now Hilo International Airport offers us an optional intermission. Well, that's how I like to think of it anyway. I guess really that's a fancy way of saying if you need to use a restroom, we could stop into the terminal building. So that's my question for you. Does anybody need to use a restroom, or would you rather just keep on moving? Doing all good? All right, we'll go see some more. Kind of in a high altitude cruise for a minute here. When we pass through this area, we try to go a little extra high until we're past all the houses. Well, best we can anyway, just because they get bombarded by us back and forth all day, especially the Hilo airport out to the volcano and back, helicopters all day. So we try and go high, give them a little bit of a noise break.
Come with me while the moon is on the sea. The moon is on the sea. The night is young.
Is there any agriculture over here on the west side?
Absolutely. Actually, agriculture is the prime industry on this side of the island. It used to be number one on the whole island. Nowadays, tourism has taken over, but still, the wet side of the island has more agriculture than anything else. Used to be all about sugarcane. Now it's kind of a variety of things. A mixture, tropical fruits, vegetables, macadamia nuts, coffee, cattle ranching, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. And the sugarcane's gone, but I gotta make a radio call. Give me just 1 second here. I'll let you listen in.
And we're about maybe 10, 15 miles north of the crater.
Altimeter 29907, transition approved. And just be on the lookout, you do have traffic of VFR target at your 9 to 8 o'clock, about 2 miles northbound, altitude 6000.
Site, Blue 44, thank you.
Hey, Hilo approach, that's me, Blue 39, northwest transition as well, negative ATIS.
Blue 39, Hilo approach, plug 0546. New information is being cut, wind 3303, altimeter 29907, and say altitude.
Okay, 0546 showing 6,000, Blue 39, and I do have company at my 3 o'clock in sight.
Blue 39, thank you. Your radar contact 2 miles northwest of Mountain View, transition approved.
Blue 39. There we go. So we couldn't listen to the once per hour recording. Well, I tried, but it wasn't on because they're making a new one literally right now. Somebody's speaking into the microphone making it. And so I told them, hey, we don't have that, but we want to come to it. She said, okay.
Blue 17, Hilo approach your radar contact warning.
Told me to look out for him, and I said, yeah, I got him. Actually, I think I just told her I had him. New systems we've got in these aircraft, pretty fancy actually. I've got him on my displays here, like having radar on board, you know, like all this digital communications right between the aircraft, so they tell each other where they're all at, put them on your displays and stuff. Not technically radar, like say, it's just a digital transmission, but it works the same. It's probably better. Actually, it is better. It's more accurate. There's Hilo, headed to the right. I think we'll duck down just a little bit lower on the way past Hilo, be able to see it better. Hilo base, Blue 39.
39, right.
39 bypass, 5550, Albacoa.
5550, 39, copy.
Thank you.
Copy, going home.